Bags Unlimited's Frame Kit Builder tool gives you the ability to see what your artwork could look like with the different matting and framing options available.
It's important to note that this tool is only for visual purposes, like matching your mat board and frame color to your artwork. The measurements of the frame, mat board, and the window size will not change on this tool. You'll have to make sure that you choose the right sizes for you on our main website during the checkout process.
The first step is to choose your mat color. We can do that by clicking the highlighted icon here.
We're going to choose Sea Mist.
The next step is to choose the frame color or style.
We'll go with Shiny Silver Frame.
Next, we're going to upload our artwork by clicking the highlighted camera icon and then by clicking on the click or drop images here. Next, we're going to click on our image to resize it. To do that, use the opposite arrow indicator on the bottom right corner of the image. Resize the image until it looks closest to your artwork. If you would like to choose another option, you can easily delete your art by clicking on the garbage icon on the bottom left corner of the frame. If you'd like to see how your image would look with a different frame color, just click on a different frame option to the left. Re-upload your art by clicking on the click or drop images here. Remember to resize your image to match your artwork. You can scroll through the different framing colors by clicking on the different options to the left. The other optional step would be to click on the preview icon directly above the frame image. All of the frame images appear in a new window. To exit this option, scroll to the top and click the X in the top right corner. One thing to note, if you choose a different matte color, you will have to upload and resize your artwork once again. In order to purchase a frame and matte combination that you like, you will need to go back to the Bags Unlimited website. Make sure you have the right frame size and matte color selected before you add to cart. If you want to switch your frame's color or size, go back and choose the appropriate options from the list. If you'd like to switch to a different category of frame style, go back to the Designer tool and hover over the Build Your Own Frame Kit tab. Bags Unlimited offers two different frame kit grades, decorative and archival. If you look within each category, you will see three different subcategories. Each subcategory matches up with our website's decorative and archival categories. That makes you able to shift through the Designer tool options without having to go back to our website. Now let's finalize an order. Once you click on the product, you can choose your matte color, and you can also choose a window size. You can then proceed with your payment.